Why is youth engagement important in Heritage?
I often say that heritage is nominally about the past, but it's also about the future as well. So by talking to young people today, we can understand how we can continue to be relevant, gain new perspectives and energy into what we do, and make ourselves really fit for the coming periods. It's young people that offer the future.
I think youth engagement is massively important. I think as we kind of look to build more resilient kind of cultural ecosystems, the more diverse forces we can kind of have in that sphere, the better it's going to be.
From my experience working with English Heritage, it's been absolutely fantastic, and it was something that I wasn't aware of until Young Musicians Project got involved. It was something that I really connected with myself. Thank you. It's part of your identity. I think all of us at Young Musicians Project, going to these heritage sites within Sunderland, it's a part of us that we completely weren't aware of.
I think it's really important that young people feel that they belong in those spaces, but I think actually it's even more important for those heritage spaces to engage young people, because it brings so much creativity, it brings a different way of looking at things, but it also brings so much vibrancy and creative approaches to looking at those spaces.
What 3 words would you use to describe Heritage?
I would say meaningful, community and profound.
The best things always happen in partnership. So English Heritage, we do our bit, but by working with other creatives and with young people, we make something much better than we could if we worked purely on our own.
Connecting with young people is the only way that heritage will still be an aspect of modern life, 20, 30 years down the line.
I think the breadth of impact is much more than just it's good for young people, but it's good for the whole sector.
This stuff is impressive, right? It's really good.
You are the next generation, and you can, if you want to, really shape the way the future unfolds.